Let's talk meatballs. Asian Meatballs 1.0 was always a hit at every party. Sweet, savory, packed with umami. They'd vanish within minutes. A few friends even confessed they'd eaten 6 or maybe even more if nobody had been watching. So today I'm bringing you Asian Meatballs 2.0. They're still juicy and flavor-packed, but with a few tweaks, like pork rinds instead of panko for a low-carb upgrade, and a glossy sauce that gets drizzled over just before serving instead of being simmered. Let's start with a meatball mix. In a large bowl, I added ground pork and beef and the white parts of some chopped green onions, 2 eggs, and a couple pork rinds I ground in a food processor. For seasoning, sesame oil, white pepper, salt. Mix it up until everything is fully combined. I use a 1/4 cup scoop to portion each meatball and roll them by hand. This batch gave me about 24 meatballs, around 2 ounces each. Next, the sauce. In a small pan, hoisin, rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, and a little sriracha for that optional kick. Stir and let it simmer gently when the meatballs bake. Into a 400-degree oven, they go in for 15 minutes, just enough to cook through without drying out. Once they are out, I move them to a clean baking dish. A quick pro tip: skim off any brown bits or excess fat for a cleaner presentation. Now for the fun part. Drizzle that thick, savory sauce right over the top, just a light touch. Finish with fresh green onions, and that's it. Serve them over steamed rice or bring them to your next party. Either way, this sauce has punch. Juicy, savory, with a sweet and tangy glaze. These meatballs are everything you want in a bite. Whether you're eating low carb or just love bold flavors, Asian Meatballs 2.0 are here to impress. See you next time at Lay's Kitchen, where we keep the flavor high and the fuss low. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.